Monday, April 7th, S&P 500 6 trillion tariff mood swing at 10:10 a.m. Eastern Time. Rumors broke that the White House was considering a 90-day tariff pause. 5 minutes later, CNBC confirmed it. All countries except China would be exempt. The S&P 500 skyrocketed. By 10:18 a.m., the index had added over $3 trillion in market cap from the morning low. That lasted a whole 7 minutes. At 10:25 a.m., reports surfaced that the White House was unaware of Trump's plan. 1 minute later, CNBC corrected the headlines. By 10:34, the White House officially labeled the pause story fake news.
Will you do a 90-day pause? Would you consider that?
Or Bill, yeah, I think that the president is going to decide what the president's going to decide. There are more than 50 countries in negotiation with the president.
At 10:40 a.m., the S&P had already erased $2.5 trillion in market cap from its high, all within a 22-minute round trip. Wednesday, a presidential tweet and a 10% NASDAQ surge. On Wednesday morning at market open, President Trump posted on social media that this was a great time to buy. The NASDAQ 100 took that personally and jumped 10% in a single day. Gold takes the crown. As markets digested tariff confusion and policy whiplash, gold quietly delivered its best 5-day performance since 2020. Gold futures reached a session high of $2,263, while the spot price soared past $3,200, the highest opening price in history. Gold closed Friday at $3,254.90, up 2.44% on the day. It's now up roughly 24% year to date. Bond markets also got dragged into the chaos. Long-dated treasuries sold off, pushing the 10-year yield to its highest level since February. Meanwhile, the US dollar index broke below the psychological 100 level. According to analysts, this signals a major shift in demand away from US assets. Central bank demand for gold hit all-time highs last year, and ETF inflows are increasing as investors search for safety. Meanwhile, Brian Johnson is reversing entropy with LEDs. While the market melts down, Brian Johnson is busy spending $2 million a year to reverse aging. His protocol this week includes green light therapy, which reportedly reduces migraines by 60%, calms chronic pain, improves sleep, and lowers anxiety. In a week where the 10-year treasury failed as a safe haven, maybe the solution isn't gold or bonds. Maybe it's just a light bulb and a billionaire's wellness budget. What to watch? Next week, retail sales data drops Wednesday. United Health and Netflix report earnings. If consumer spending slips or earnings miss, expect volatility. And if nothing breaks, headlines probably will.